happy legality. My message isn't that long, but I hope ma-appreciate ni mo ni. First of all, thank you kay nakadiya permi sa kuha. Especially kanang problema ko, kanang nakoy kaway. Ikaw jud din ako madulan. And unta enjoy nimo more imong life, especially now na you're at the right age na gyud magbuhat og decisions and choices. And dili na ako ingon ta son basta ikabalo ka sa tika kalaw. Kanang birthday.
Alright, thank you so much. Okay, moving on. A round of applause for Ian Shane Dagatan.
Happy birthday to this incredible girl. As you step into this new chapter, remember that life is full of endless possibilities and opportunities. May your dreams guide you, your passions fuel you, and your heart lead you to incredible adventures. You're growing into a strong, independent, and compassionate individual, and I'm honored to be part of your journey. Here's to many more laughter-filled moments, late-night conversation, and making unforgettable memories together. Wishing you a bright, beautiful future filled with love, joy, and success. Cheers to you, Bossy. Again, happy 10th birthday. More shot to come, and more libags to talk much. Love na.
Huh? I mean, forget the last part. Okay, go. Okay, can you just hand over your gift? Okay, moving on for another treasure this time. A round of applause for Gwyn Galao.
Happy birthday, happy 18th birthday, Ren. Welcome to the age of legality. May Lord give you a desire of heart and make all your plans success. Enjoy your special day. Continue to live life to the fullest. Enjoy and never stop dreaming. Stay pretty, humble, and kind. Once always pray to Heavenly Father achieve your goal in life. Again, happy 18th birthday, man, and more birthday to come. Your candles to blow.
Alright. I like the last part, more candles to blow. Do you know how to blow the candle? Okay. Sige, teacher. Alright, thank you so much. Moving on for another treasure this time, I'd like to call in. Moving on for Rachel and Valencia. Go. Alright.
Hi, Ray. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Enjoy ni mo yung life, okay? Dili mo padala sa stress, sa problems. I know, lisod kayong magkuhaan sa atong kinabuhi, diba? And unta is kanang makakita na kagla. Lagot di ay. And akong gift sa imo, ako na putos. Magkita na ko sa dito na ko yata. Happy birthday. Love you.
Okay, teacher. Thank you so much. Putuson ang SM, Ani, or ang Ayala. Okay? Okay, moving on for another treasure. This time I'd like to call in to please go forward. Shaina San Miguel. A round of applause for Shaina. Okay, agad si Shaina. Looking stunning in this white blouse here. Okay, Shaina, you're from where? Taguluan. So you travel all the way from Taguluan, Tagulgare. So sad yun naman kayo. How are you related to Rain?
Friends.
Okay, I like that. Perfect kayo mga inaning of friends na mo travel og lagyo, no? Then mo abot yun dari for this very special occasion. What about a round of applause from Shaina? Come on, guys. Layo kayo ang Taguluan. Like from Taguluan to Cagayan there, it takes the hour, right? So let's hear it. Go on sa imong treasure for Reinhard.
Hi Rain, happy birthday, and I just want to say good luck sa imong adult journey, and especially if your college journey, and I hope you stay a good daughter and good friend. Unta dili na ka magsigig pa bandong. Ay, dili. And I want to say again, happy birthday, and I love you.
Thank you so much, Shaina. Okay. Okay, picture sa Okay, moving on, I'd like to call in kanina, agad siya for sure, kaya prepare sa siya. And I'd like to call in Angela May Talaytay. Para extended kamay over. Hi, kamusta?
Okay na.
How's the food? I'm sure medyo you have a bunch of food in your plate. I've seen it, my God. The joke lang. Okay, sige, go.
Hi Ren, good evening everyone. Hi Ren, I bought this gift because it symbolizes of how pretty you are and how sexy you are. I love you Ren, happy birthday.
I love it. Okay, thank you so much. Angela May Talaytay. Alright, this time moving on for another treasure, I would like to call in. Okay, moving on. Kani for sure na, give me lisod sa gwala ni no. Nakita man ako ni siya kaganina no, wearing purple or something. Okay, I would like to call in Raymark Noveso. Okay, prepare ko na siya sa bills na namin sa treasure.
As you can see, I don't have anything with me because after work I was really running late. But I guess I'll give na lang something. Maybe this will make you buy like 10 cups of iced coffee there downtown. So happy birthday, Ren.
10 cups of coffee, Starbucks, that's 100 plus, right? So perfect na. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. I would like to call all of those involved sa 18 treasures to please come forward for the photo opportunity. Come on, girls. Let's have some photo. Come on, come forward. All of the 18 treasures. Thank you very much for all of our 18 treasures, and for those who still want to eat some sweets, napatay mga sweets din sa ang sweets table. Just come join us here kung gusto mo. Okay, this time moving on for our 18 bills this time. Now let's kick this off with I would like to call in Ma'am Karen Kenga. Okay. Sige, a short message somehow, and then with your... Okay. Hello, Ma'am. Hello, Ma'am Karen. Good evening, Ma'am Karen. Ganahan ko ani kay naapay gift, naapay yun nakaputos na. Perfect, makaya si Ma'am Karen. Uy, unsay taga-asa si Ma'am Karen, Ma'am? Uy, ganahan ko taga-bayangan na ka mag-invite. Tarsa ko ang tipu, Ma'am, ha? Kay kumpleto mo ka makatag di itanan, Ma'am. Oo. I-add ka sa Facebook later on. Okay. Sige, Ma'am. Okay, sige. You can give us a short message and then just hand over sa inyong gift and your bill.
Hi Ren, happy birthday. Padayon lang sa imong pangandoy sa kinabuhi. Bisag unsay may tabo, padayon pag-eskwela, dayon. Padayon sad sa imong pagkabuutan nga anak sa imong ginikanan. O salamat sa pagpangga sa kampo.
Okay, now I knew it. Mao di ay, doble-doble. Ma'am, basig na apa sponsor Kurt, Ma'am. Apa? Asa? Ay, hindi lang sa kanila kay Ginoo ko, Diyos ko, Lord. Baby pa man. Child abuse ta na ma-report sa DSWD. You know, kung di maayo. Ato na lang ko ni Papa. Ako di joke lang. Alright, so this time I would like to call in this one's another tita. Tita nino or auntie. I would like to call in ako aking maidlot nga classmate. A round of applause for Ma'am Maria Luz Noveso. Ay naman si Kuya Long daw ko no. On behalf man niyo, tanawan. Okay, okay na. Alright. Okay, moving on for another bill this time. A round of applause for Ma'am Mercho Magallanes. Okay na, si ako sa interview si Ma'am Mercho. Kung sa galing ka-related sa ato ang debutant, Ma'am? Ganahan ko anang mga friends ako, ang mama, ma'am, uy, na friends ang taas akong mama, ma'am pa. Anyway, joke lang. Okay, taga-asa si Ma'am Mercho. Oh, si Diogid ka, man. Perfect kayo mo travel. For all of us, especially for those young ones right there.
Hi, Ren. Happy birthday.
Alright, thank you so much. Moving on.
Happy 18th birthday, Ren. Today, as you step into adulthood, ang pili mong kagalingon and always remember your worth. This small gift is my way of saying, invest wisely, save smart, and enjoy life. Padayon lang sa mga damgo, kabalo ko nga kaya na nimo.
Alright, smile.
Birthday. Dili na ako makuha ng baby sa unang siguro 9 ato nga time nga magdagan-dagan sa pure gold. Ako message sa imo nga is be responsible lang kung sa imo hang decision sa imo hang everyday life as adulthood. Alright.
Okay, I want to call in the last person, but definitely para mo 25 or 12 ra ang hawak ko. Sa inon, ma'am? Sikwito. Suka. Ay, ginawa ko. Pure na suka na, ma'am.
Black sweat daw.
Oh, guys, take note. Suka lang. Especially na si Angela May Talaytay. My God. Tag-12 nga hawak. Suka na daw ko ang katapat. Suka and somehow prayer siguro rin, ma'am, no? Okay. Sige, ma'am. Sa mga gamay message for Reinhardt. Pinaka-eldest sa ila, mag-sister, ma'am?
Dili.
Ana pa?
Yeah, sister.
Anak brother. Alright, sige. Alright, sige.
Okay, Reinhardt, happy 18th birthday. I am so proud of you and excited for all that's ahead and to help you on your way. I brought you something, some bills. Oh, ayaw niya hubog-hubog. Okay, to continue your journey and keep shining, stay humble and be true to yourself. Okay, happy birthday.
Those are symbolized, of course, for our generosity and love and support for our debutant. There you go. A round of applause, everybody, for our 18 bills.
Oh, kang mga barkada sa mga anak, salamat kaya. Balik-balik mo.
Birthday?
Mga adoptin na ka na kanan. Ay, dili ka. Paminaw. Atong buwan. Okay rata. Iskila tagtarong. Dili na ito masagdan. Pagpasiskila. Dili na ito sa ingon. Natangpan sa pumilikanan na. Ay no. Kuwan. Termintigil ko. Distrito. Dili mo gara. Di po magsadig. Pinangga tayo ta. Kalau na ko. Ayaw nung nagsoya. Dili po magsadig. Pinangga tayo ka. Ayaw gipit sa yagi ang sakripisyo sa ni mama, ako, imong mga lolo, mga ante, panigurong ni Kuya, kay kamurang duha dito, kamurang sa'yo sa inyong kuwan. Ang makabadayan din mo, tutog sa mga mahimo. Sige, dagan kayo sa salamat.
Hi Mac! Happy birthday! Grabe kadali rin sa panahon ba? Sa una, baglungon ka pa kayo nga bata. Karon, baglungon na ka nga dalaga. By the way, basta palayat lang yung pagkabot sa mga pamangkin sa kinabuhi, naara si Mama Only sa inyong likod ang dapat supportan nyo. Basta, prioritize lang yun ang mga mga dreams and focus sa imong pagskwela. And always give the praise sa Ginoo. Tanan nimong plano sa kinabuhi, ask Him for guidance para mapunta ka sa sakto nga dalan. Always lang jud kind and respectful, especially to your parents and sa mga tao nga nagmahal. And always ampo sa Ginoo. Be happy, live your life to the fullest, but it doesn't mean nga maglaglaag sa kag to the fullest. Dahil na yun sa kalaagan, okay? Basta, amping kanunay. And, dili naman yun lugar ta mapungan ani nga gapanguya. So, tugta na lang, but know your boundaries and limitation. Kabalo jud ka anak kung sa akong buot pasabot. And, basta, amping kanunay. Once again, happy birthday and I love you so much. Sorry kung wala na sad si mama sa imong special day. I hope na mag-enjoy ka sa imong birthday and happy 10th birthday. Dalaga na jud akong baby girl. I love you.
Alright, I make a birthday song for our debutant. Lighter, please. Dali, forward ka, dali ka. Please join us here. Friends, come on, come forward. Okay, para isa ato ang pinagsalikwas ang bosses for the birthday song. Lighter sa ato ang cake, ay sa ato ang candle, please. Asagas ka lang. Okay. Natin somehow plate of slicer. Okay, sige lang. Alright, so let's sing together a birthday song for our debutant this night. Everybody, please join us. Oh, go! Happy birthday to you.
Ikutin lang. Ikutin.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. One more time. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Wish and then blow the candle. Alright, make a wish and alright, happy birthday Reynard! And a round of applause once again. And now this time, let's move on for the message of gratitude for our debutant this time. Celebration. Of course. Okay, so a round of applause once again for our debutant for her message of gratitude.
Okay, good evening everyone. First and foremost, I would like to thank God na gitagaan din niya og nice na weather. That's why nahimog na niya event. And also, thank you sa akong parents nga nagplano ani, especially sa akong mga tita, tito, and relatives para ma-success ni nga event. And especially thanks to my personal photographer during sa akong photo shoot, Angel May Pacolba, together with my lover Kirk, and also sa akong mga tikas sa mother side na nag-effort din sila para maka-attend lang sa akong event. And also to my CLC buddies nga nag-effort po dagan hidari which is layo man tagid kay niya. And also sa akong mga daring mga friends, thank you guys for coming. And also sa nag-decoration and Amor and the team, and also sa akong host, Sir Sunny, and also sa akong makeup artist for the eye. Thank you so much, everyone.
Are we done? Alright, thank you very much guys for coming, and you made this event really special because of your presence tonight. But the party will continue, right? Party after party. Okay, ready na ato ang mga shots and everything. So for those who wanted to stay with us, just stay with us. And for those who's going home, thank you so much for coming over, and may God bless you and safe home as you travel home. Taga kayong salamat, and I think that's it. We're done, but the party continues. So kaya na pala party after party, okay? Gawas na, labas na ang mga pulang kabayo, lahat dyan, labas nyo na. Come on, the party continues right here at Raynard at AC. This is Jasmine, your host, Sunny Denso, saying goodbye, good night, and God bless you all. Ito! Gusto mag-stay pa? Ang atong mga shots, labas na ba? Okay, labas na ang atong mga shots. And for those who still want to eat our sweets, napatay mga sweets food, pwede na mo doon today. And for those who wanted to try our cake, yung mga gusto mo slice of cake, natin po yung slice of cake, para gusto mo